welcome back. Today we are going to check out this really awesome Pom Pom DIY box. So this is the DIY Pom Pom Frenzy. There's all kinds of fun things you can make with this. And here is what the front looks like. So we are going to go ahead and get started with opening this box and showing you how to make some really cool pom-poms. So hang out, we'll be right back. I think the really cool thing, once we use up the yarn that's provided in the kit, we'll still have all of the neat little accessories that come with it, all these little fun things. And we have a whole package in here. We have all these instructions, so they show us how to make different pom-pom creation. In our package here, we have all of our string. It looks like it is sealed with that sticky adhesive, so that makes it much easier. So here's what we got in the package. First thing we have is this little deal here, and we're going to use it to wrap the yarn around to make our pom-poms. So we'll set this aside. Alright, so next package we have is this right here. It has all kinds of different accessories and doodads in there. And last, we have all this pretty yarn. So we have some pretty tealish blue yarn, awesome orange yarn, some neon greenish yellow yarn, white yarn that has cool little shiny rainbow deals in it. Can you guys see that? Let's see if you can see that. Magenta yarn, and this has that same little glittery rainbow stuff in it. Purple yarn, and I know you can see the glitter on that one. Pink yarn. This pink yarn is different than the other. This one doesn't have the little sparklies in it. And last but not least, we have a little bit of navy blue yarn. Okay, so today we're going to show you how to make a ring. And we have our instructions right here on how to make a ring. Awesome instructions. I love the pictures because as children, sometimes pictures are easier than words. Okay, so we're going to open the container for the rings. And it looks like the rings are right there. We'll set the rest of this fun stuff aside. Look at all that good stuff. This part right here, this is sticky. So this part's gonna come off here in a second. That very top part's gonna come off, but we're not gonna take it off yet. We're gonna make our pom-pom first. Okay, so it looks like we are going to need one of these little round, flowery looking deals. So we're gonna take that out. So it comes with these neat little rhinestones. There's just enough glue to use every single one. Okay, so now we have our gems on our flower, and the next step is to attach this flower to the ring, and then we are going to make our pom-pom. So we've taken the sticky part off of the ring. We're going to attach this to the top of the ring, right in the center. We'll turn this over, and then we'll attach it right to the center. Push nice and hard. Now our next step is going to be to make our pom-pom that will go in the center of this. And then we'll put the ring on and go out in style. We have chosen purple as our pom-pom color to go on our ring. This is our pom-pom maker. You have two sides. You have a small side, which is for smaller pom-poms, like what we're gonna put on our ring. And then we have a larger side, which is for larger pom-poms. So we're going to use the smaller side. And to do that, all we do is make sure and hold on to the edge of your string very tight as you start to wrap around it. Wrap around the end several times so it holds, so it's there. And then you just wrap this around. You don't want to wrap it all on top of itself.
One eternity later.
The more yarn that we wrap, the fluffier our pom-pom is going to be. We can also choose to wrap 2 different colors. And the next color we're going to use is the pink. Okay, so since we're going to use 2 different colors, we're going to cut our purple right here at the end. And then we want to make sure and hold that on there so it doesn't go falling off. We'll start our pink right up next to where that purple was. Give it a good wrap over so it doesn't come undone. Wrap our pink. We could have wrapped our purple over here and our pink over here, or we could do it on top like we're doing right here. Lots of different ways to do it. And then once you finish your pom-pom, you'll be able to see it all. You don't want to just keep making this part bigger and bigger and bigger, because it is going to make the pom-pom strings longer, and you might have to trim it to make it rounder. Now that we're done wrapping, we are going to cut our end. There we go. Next thing we need to do is send a piece of yarn through the middle of here. So this came with a little comb to kind of fluff up your pom-pom with. What I've gone ahead and done is wrapped some of the yarn around the end of the comb so it'll stay, so I can just send that through there. Came through right here, and then you'll actually take and slide this off carefully, and then after you slide it off very carefully, you're going to tie your string together here. Okay, so we've got it just like that.
Then you need a tie.
We're going to tie it very tight. There, you see how it tightens up. I'm just gonna double tie it. You can put dangly beads on these little strings, or you can make them part of your pom-pom. So that is up to you. The next step is to cut all these pieces. So we're gonna grab our scissors and do that. Look at that pom-pom. Now, we do have some longer pieces and shorter pieces. Oh, and we even have pieces that didn't get cut. Oops. We've got some longer pieces and shorter pieces. So what we're gonna do is just kind of give this pom-pom a little haircut. We can trim this pom-pom down to any size that we want. So then this pom-pom is now going to get glued to the ring. And it's kind of big for the ring. That's how you make a pom-pom. And if you did want to attach this pom-pom to the ring, like shown in the picture, you'd probably want to cut it down a little bit more to make it just a little bit smaller, because it is kind of a bigger pom-pom. Bella has made herself a ring with just the gems, and then now we have a pom-pom to celebrate with. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions about this video or any others, be sure to leave it in the comments. Once again, my name is Angela Sawyer. I promote creative living and I do DIY type videos, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload. I do upload videos weekly. And be sure to share the video with a friend. In addition, I have one more thing for you. If you got value out of the video, hit the thumbs up. That will help the YouTube algorithm push my videos out to other folks that enjoy these type of videos. So once again, have a fantastic day. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video, which, by the way, I suggest if you have not watched the video on this marquee box right here, I did an unboxing of the marquee box and a review of it and how it works. So I will link that in the description below, and I will also put it on the screen for you. Have yourself a fantastic day. Peace out.
Pom Pom!
Pom Pom out.